Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. So today what I wanted to do was do an Epic Trading back office overview. So for those of you who are thinking about getting into the program, those of you that are already on the team and want to know how to navigate the back office, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that right now. So let me just go ahead and first of all, let me make sure my do not disturb is on so all these other notifications don't start flying around. All right, we're good there. And everything else is off. Perfect. So let me go ahead and share my desktop. All right, so we are logged in to my back office over here. And first thing you want to do before you do anything, before you even start going into Epic University and start going through the education, I want you to get your Telegram set up because that's the most important. That's where the communication is. That's where you're going to get your trade signals. So that's where you're going to, make your money and get information from corporate. So it's very important. So what you want to do is click on this link, and it's probably going to launch my Telegram, which is fine because I got to show it to you anyways. So when you click on this, it will go ahead and launch your Telegram. You'll see it pop up over here. All right, so here's the Forex signals group. But anyways, before we do that, let me show you exactly how the process works. So we start the bot, right? Let me see. Okay, so here's the Epic bot. I don't think it matters if I go through it again, but let's go ahead and check it out. So first thing you want to do is go into the Epic Trade House community. So when you click here, it'll bring you here and it'll ask you to join. But before it even does that, it's going to ask you two things that are very, very important. Number one, it's going to ask you, what is your username? So just copy and paste your username. What is your user ID? Copy and paste your user ID. Once it verifies those, it'll let you into the group because the group is for paid members only. So that's very, very important. So then you'll end up on that screen that I just showed you. So you click on the first one, there'll be a join button here, and there'll probably be a few other questions. Do you promise not to do this? Do you promise to obey the rules? Just click yes, let's go. You get to the point where you're on this page. Then you're going to click on this one, the Forex signals. This is where, this is where we make our money. And I mean, just so you can kind of see here, December 1st, 2020, that is today. This is how many pips we've racked up today, 592 pips. We only lost one Forex pair today. I mean, just look at this. I mean, it's just been crazy. As a matter of fact, yesterday was another 300 something pips. So six, I mean, we're closing in, and we haven't even counted what we've done today in the night session. So probably within the last 24, 48 hours, we're up over 1,000 pips. There's people in this company making money. There's newbies in this company that haven't ever, done any sort of trading. They're very brand new to Forex and they're making money. So this is the group where you're going to make all the money in there, right? Okay. So the third one was, let me get back to the bot. It keeps throwing me out. Okay, and then the third one is the Epic News Network. Epic News Network is where you're going to get the news from corporate. Hello, Epic family. Here's what's going on. Here's something from Coach Max. Here's like all of our sessions for the week. So it just kind of keeps you up to date on everything that's going on. Almost every Saturday, maybe every Saturday, we have a success lab where our vice president, Mark Sterling, and our global master ambassador, Jonathan Green, they'll teach you things that'll better help your business. These guys have been in the industry for a long time, over 20 years each. They've made millions of dollars online in network marketing. They're in the Forex trading space now. They're building teams and they're helping us with their years of knowledge to show us what works and what doesn't work. So bottom line is, the first thing I want you to do in the back office, again, let me just close these windows since we don't need them anymore. So the first thing I want you guys to do is get your Telegram set up. Get into those three groups. Those are the three corporate groups: the Epic News Network, the Epic Trade House. The Trade House is where you can communicate back and forth with the coaches and other advanced traders. You have questions, it's a great place to get information, get some validation, learn from other people. Okay, that's the only one where you can communicate both ways. The Epic Signals, it's only one way. You can only read the signals. You can only read the Epic News Network. That's for communication purposes only. Once you're done with that, then I want you to go to tradingview.com. Okay, so you come here to tradingview.com. All you got to do is create a free account. I have a pro account. You don't need it. I took advantage of the Black Friday sale, but the reality is a free account is all that you need. And what you need to do here is just create an account, and then your username will be here. I want you to copy and paste your username. I want you to watch these videos on TradingView, because the TradingView is the platform that we use to read the markets, mark up our charts, do our due diligence before we enter a trade. Over here, you'll see a little box. Obviously on mine, I've already done it. You see a little box, copy and paste your user ID from TradingView in there. What will happen is Coach Max, who's our director of Forex education, she will take the 20 pips and dip indicator, which is exclusive to our coaching team, and they will import it into your account. So when you come to my account, let's just say that I'm looking up USD versus the Canadian dollar. It doesn't matter which broker you pick, just pick one to launch the chart. Okay, you'll come here to the full featured chart. All right, so here's like what a naked candlestick chart looks like. You can color it up whatever you want. You can do the backgrounds, whatever you want. Coach Max has videos on how to do all that, how to pretty this up exactly the way you want it to look. But the point is that if you come over here to the FX thing, indicators and strategies, if you come over here, invite only, there's the 20 pips and dip indicator, which Epic will import into your account. That is part of your membership fee to get this indicator, which this indicator alone is worth more than the membership that you're paying to be an Epic Scholar. So what happens is when you want to, because I already have the indicator here, so all I have to do is click on this eyeball here and it will show the indicator. Now, the indicator is really cool. When you go through Coach Max's training, she'll teach you everything. It basically tells you when to buy, when to sell, where the support levels are, where the resistance levels are, keeps you out of trouble, and it helps you identify, good buys and good sells. You have the moving average that's going down the middle. If the candles are below the moving average, you're looking, let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit so you can see better. Okay, there you go. So if the candles are below the moving average, you're looking to sell. If the candles are above the moving average, you're looking to buy in most cases. There's always exceptions to the rules, but when you're a newbie, you want to go with the, you don't want to go against the trend. You want to kind of stick with that. But this is not a training exercise or to teach you trading, because, we're all, a lot of us are still new to trading. So I don't want to get too deep into the weeds over there, but I just wanted to show you how that works. So now at this point, your Telegram is set up. You have all three Telegram groups you need to be in. And of course, being on our team, we have our own Telegram groups to send information and, our own team webinars. But for the sake of people that are just getting started, they're just wanting to learn how to trade, those are the only three groups that you're going to need. Okay. And then you just go through these videos, get your trading view set up. Now that you have your trading view set up so you can mark up your charts, now that you have all of the information groups and the signals groups so you can make money and get notified, now I want you to go into Epic University, okay? So let's go ahead and click this. I'll just open it in a new tab so I don't lose what I'm doing over here. Okay, so Epic University, you have a 2-week syllabus. I want you to download this 2-week syllabus. It tells you everything that you need to do in that 2 weeks. And then we have 2 great books here. These are 2 legendary books in Forex, Trading in the Zone and the Candlestick Bible. Download them, print them out, take them to Staples, take them to FedEx office, get it binded, highlight it up. These books are going to change your life and your perception when it comes to the Forex marketing industry. And we have Forex affirmations. Affirmations are always good. You wake up in the morning, you say something positive to yourself. Let's go ahead and take a look at this so you can kind of get it familiar. I'm here to feed my family, not the broker. I am a confident trader. I trust myself. I trust my analysis. I'm not an emotional trader. That's actually one of the big ones. Do not be an emotional trader. Trading is actually like 90% controlling your emotions and your greed, and 10% execution. If you can get into that Zen-like state where you can put your emotions to the side and just focus on what's in front of you and execute, you will make money being a Forex trader. Now you've seen everything you need here, what you need to download. See this link over here? It's hard to tell it's a link because it doesn't underline until you hover over it. It's a link. Go ahead and click it and it'll open up to the university.epictrading.com. This is where you get going, okay? So you day one, welcome to Epic University. There is Coach Max. Coach Max is a brilliant educator. She has an amazing story. She has trained over 70,000 people in how to do Forex trading. She started just like any one of us. She went over to a seminar. She didn't know anything about Forex trading. She looked around the room and she realized right away that she was the only African-American woman there. And she realized that I need to make a change in this industry. I need to become a master trader. I need to help people. I need to help people of color. I need to help women. I need to help anybody that is looking to change their lives and make it better. And that's what she has done in the tens of thousands. And now she has come to Epic University to share all that knowledge with everybody here. So really, really great to have Coach Max. She's the heart and soul of this operation, like I say in all of my presentations. And her coaches have laid out an amazing, a beautiful curriculum. So basics 1 is week 1, 5 days. Basics 2 is week 2, 5 days. Then you have your study hall sessions, which will be on the calendar that I'll show you. Different coaches are teaching things live. So instead of these recorded videos, every once in a while, you can go attend a live session about a specific topic. We have honors classes that are taught by the great Tokyo Pips, a lady that I have just met recently. Brilliant, brilliant trader. There's the market maker theory. I believe that's Coach Jojo that teaches that. I could be wrong, but anyways, the market maker theory is another theory. But anyways, when you are just getting started, all I want you to do is go through basics 1, basics 2, and in study hall, there's a specific study hall I want you to watch, which is on September 28th, okay? That's Coach Max's 20 pips and dip strategy. That indicator that I just showed you, that's where you're going to find it. So what I want you to do is on all of these videos, when you're done, mark it as complete. Even if you don't watch it and you want to come back later so you can get to the September 28th video, go ahead, just mark them as complete. Watch that 20 pips and dip. It's very important. All the videos are important, but specifically for the purposes of this video, if there's one video I want you to watch right away, it's the 20 pips and dip once you're done with the 2 weeks. That way, when you're on TradingView and you're launching the indicator, you know what you're doing. Coach Max has like a 2-hour video there where she shows you exactly how to use that indicator. Okay, so that's how Epic University works. Go through basics 1, go through basics 2, watch, what was that? The 20 pips and dip, watch that, and maybe attend some study halls. Where do you find the study halls? Come down here to calendar. Let's go ahead. I can go ahead and close Epic University. You come to the calendar teaches you everything, or it tells you where everything is. Like when you click on the London session, you don't need to copy it to your calendar. The reason why is you know that the New York session, the London session, the Tokyo session, it's every night, Monday to Friday. Okay, so there's no reason to add those to your calendar. It's already built into your head. You don't need those alerts going off. What you do need the calendar for is if you're going to attend like the market maker session or an intro to Forex session, then you want to add that to your calendar so you get a notification so you don't miss that class. Okay, this is a full-blown university. We're teaching everything here. It's such a great value. Like I said, all these things that I'm going through individually, they're all worth more than $100 each. So to think that you get study halls, live trade sessions, trade signals, the 20 pips and dip indicator, market forecast. You get all of that stuff. Plus you get the mindset trainings, you get the corporate training, all of that for $99.99 a month. It's an amazing, amazing deal. And there's even ways to get it for free. You bring 3 people into this company, your education fee is temporarily waived. You just pay a $24.99 business builder fee. So the $24.99 business builder fee will get you free forex.com. So you come over here to free Forex. That was a really good segue that I wasn't planning for, but it just came in my head. So I said, let's segue. All right, Mr. David Luciaga, Vice President of Business Development. He will show you how his marketing system works, the capture pages, how to download your subscribers, how that they follow up with the emails, and they give 3 free trade signals a week to your subscribers. Can you imagine that? Just think about that for a second. The most powerful funnel system in all of Forex. Why? Because we're already making money every day with the trade signals. We're so confident in our trade signals, we're willing to give 3 of them away a week to the general public that's on our email list in order to entice them to come and become a member. Because if they get 3 a week and they're happy with the results, they're probably going to want 3 a day, right? So come on over. So that's why it's such a really awesome system. Market forecast every week, one of the coaches will come out and do a market forecast for the week, tell you what to expect, what to look for, what type of announcements are happening in the world, and it'll just kind of keep you on your toes. So this is really good. It's usually an hour, sometimes 2 hours every week. There's companies out there that charge you for a market forecast every week. We throw it in as a part of everything that's going on. Now, corporate replays, like I said, those Super Saturday trainings, there's the Vice President of Sales, Mark Sterling. So last week they did a webinar on recruiting versus sponsoring. What are the differences? The latest one will always be on this page. Any of the recordings will probably be in Epic University in that drop down menu we saw earlier. So that's pretty much it. Those are the important things when onboarding. Those are the only things that you're going to need to get up and running, get everything set up so you can start trading and start learning. When you want to start building a team, those things are going to be down here, my team, who are your personals, who are your ranked people, if you want to see the graph, if you want to see the tree, all of that's down there. I don't want to get into that right now. That'll be a separate video. The purpose of this video is to get you up and running with the trading. Later on, I'm going to break down videos and show you exactly how to take a trade signal, how to use your MetaTrader 4 app, among other things that you need to get up and running, how to start a demo account, what brokers to consider using. All of that stuff is going to be explained in more detailed videos. So anyways, hopefully that is comprehensive and you're in a much better position than you were a few minutes ago. I just want to take a quick look, make sure I didn't forget anything. So Epic University, we went over that. Telegram, the 3 groups, the Trading View. Go to tradingview.com, set up an account, get your user ID, come to this link, put in the link. 2 to 3 days later, Coach Max will put the indicator into your account so you can use it. As long as you're a member of Epic, you get to use that indicator. You leave Epic, the indicator leaves too, okay? That indicator is gonna make you more than $100 a month once you learn how to trade. So it's kind of a no-brainer. It's like that, I got this indicator that's gonna help me print money and it's gonna make me more money than I'm paying the company. So, you just kind of stay with it. Plus the signals themselves are gonna make money. Plus the live sessions are gonna make you money. Plus the things you learn in Epic University are gonna make you money. All right. You don't need downloadable documents. You don't need that. You don't need that. If you want to buy some swag, you want to buy some shirts and stuff, that's in the swag section. I actually just ordered some. It's on its way. So that's pretty much it. All right. Hopefully this helps. My name is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. I am here to help and support you. I do have a very large team, and that's why I have so many systems in place because there's only one of me, and there's 1,000+ people on my team. But we have so many leaders. We have such a great team. My upline has so many systems and support. Like if you come over here, let's just take a quick look back at Telegram. You have the Paid to Live group. That's my uplines group. You have the Lions Den group. That's my uplines group. You have the Winner Circle group. That's my uplines group. So just think about it. I have over 1,000 people on my team. I have people above me that have thousands of people on their team. So we have to build systems. We have to build ways where people can plug in. We have nightly webinars every night. If you're deciding that you want to build a business, we have webinars you can plug your people into. The thing is that when you do a business like this, not the trading side, if you're actually building the business and you want referrals and you want residual income, you have to have systems in place. Because when your people sign up, they want to know that the process is automatable. It's like, okay, I remember how Nick got me in. He sent me to a website, I watched a video, I attended a webinar, and I signed up. I think I can do that. But if they see that, oh yeah, Nick was on a 3-way call with me for an hour, and then I had to do this, and then I had to do that, that's not duplicatable, right? That's going to scare people away. So we have a lot of systems in place to help you streamline the process. Why? Because we want you to focus on the trading, okay? Let the company, let the system, let the teams, let the groups handle the heavy lifting. You focus on the trading. I want you to take your cell phone and I want you to turn it into an ATM machine, okay? And eventually, once you learn how to trade, you'll be on the computers, you'll be looking at charts, you'll be printing money left and right. All right, thank you very much. My name is Nicholas Lau from Dallas, Texas. I hope you join the team. And if you're on the team, I hope that you accomplish all your goals. Please feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.